Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to pay someone in Bitcoin on Cash App. So, let's get started. Start by opening the Cash App on your device. Locate the icon in the bottom left corner of the screen that displays your account balance and tap on it. This will take you to a screen where you can manage your financial assets. From here, navigate to the Bitcoin section by tapping on the Bitcoin icon, which is specifically designated for all Bitcoin-related activities within the app. Once you've accessed this section, you'll see options for buying Bitcoin, selling it, or viewing your Bitcoin balance. To make a purchase, select the Buy button, which will prompt you to either choose a preset amount or manually enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to buy. Enter your desired amount, review the transaction details, and then tap the Confirm button. This action will finalize your purchase, and the Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App account balance almost instantly. Once your Bitcoin is in your account and you're ready to send it to another wallet, return to the Bitcoin section of the app. Look for the arrows icon, which is located on the right-hand side of the screen, and tap on it to initiate the sending process. This will present you with the Send Bitcoin option, which you should select. After selecting Send Bitcoin, the app will guide you to the next screen, where you'll be asked how you'd like to send the Bitcoin. Cash App offers several convenient methods for sending Bitcoin. You can send it to a contact's name if they are already in your Cash App contacts, use their unique Cash App tag, or input their Bitcoin wallet address directly. If you choose to send the Bitcoin to a Cash App contact, simply type in their name or Cash App tag. If you are sending to an external Bitcoin wallet, you'll need to copy and paste the recipient's BTC wallet address or scan their QR code for accuracy. After you've entered the recipient's information, confirm that all details are correct by reviewing them carefully. Once everything checks out, tap on the recipient's name or address to proceed. The app will then prompt you to confirm the transaction, showing you a summary of the amount you are sending, any applicable fees, and the recipient's details. After confirming, Cash App will process the transaction and notify you that the withdrawal has been initiated. Depending on network conditions, the Bitcoin transfer may take some time to complete, but the app will keep you informed about the status of your transaction. Finally, after the transfer has been initiated and you've reviewed the confirmation notification, tap the Done button to close out the process. At this point, your transaction is complete and you have successfully purchased Bitcoin on Cash App and sent it to another wallet. This streamlined process makes it easy to manage your cryptocurrency directly from the app, whether you are buying Bitcoin for the first time or transferring it to a friend, family member, or external wallet for other purposes. Thanks for watching.